Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. This eye look is on YouTube. Check it out. Comment. Tell me what you think. But I'm loving it. Today's video is another Boxy Charm. Boxy Charm arrived yesterday. And I am happy. I didn't even take out my name on the back, so I hope I don't switch it around. And all this boom, 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 boom you're hearing, we have a lot of thunder, a lot of rain, lots of lightning. Can't take it off the video, so this is what it is. Just enjoy it. And pink inside. It's a bigger box this time. The last time it was this tiny little one, remember? But this time is the big box. I opened it to save us time, but I got my pink on the inside. Yeah! This is what it's in there. There is a card. And the card says Boxy Charm Fanta C. Squinting again. I'll put my glasses on soon. Fantasy is a theme for the July. This is July. When July? Fantasy is the theme for July Boxy Charm. This is what the card looks like. It's pretty with sea. That's a starfish, a pearl, and all the seaweeds and stuff like that. Sea stuff. It's sea stuff. Stuff in the sea. That's it. Okay. Now I need glasses for sure. So again, these are the things in there. I don't want them to fall, so I'm trying to show you. Okay, that's the box. Let's see if Boxy Charm is good to me this month, because they've been very good to me. They've been very good to me since I started. So let's see. Glasses. I need my glasses. Okay. We know the deal. If you're a certain age, sometimes you just need glasses. Is it dirty? Oh well, I can see. That's all that matters at this point. I'll clean it later if it's dirty. If it's dirty, just ignore that. Just say, you know what, this woman gonna clean her glasses later and I'll be fine. Okay, so Boxy Charm Fantasy. Beautiful. The card. I like the card. And we have 5 full-size products in here. And the first thing on the list is for $28. And it is the Pharmacy Whipped Greens Oil. Free Foaming Cleanser. And it looks like this. This is what it looks like. And this is the top. And I will open it so we can see, because we gotta see. That's what we want to see. What is it? What it looks like? This is what it looks like. I gotta go a little further back away from the light so you can see it. Yes. And the Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser with moringa and papaya. So I'll be using that. Does it have a smell? Let me see. Oh, it has a little seal on it. So you have to open it. And there is the safety seal. So I will not be using that now, but I'll be using it in the future, because I have 2 cleansers going. I rotate back and forth. There's something about cleansers, shampoos, and these things too always going. The next thing on the list is Dermalect Cosmeceuticals. I hope I'm saying that right. Alcris Retinol Trifecta Serum. It's for $39. Let's see what this is. Is it this one? 1 ounce. Oh, the Pharmacy Whipped Greens was 5 fluid ounces. This one is 1 fluid ounce. And this is what the container looks like. Let's see what the real thing looks like. Ooh, it's a red bottle. I want to try that. This is looking promising for my little wrinkles. That is what it looks like. I don't want to open it yet because I have a serum going through right now and I don't want to waste stuff. I like to take my time with my stuff. So when I'm using this, if I see wrinkles disappear, honey, I will tell you because, oh boy, do we. I mean, it's flawless. I know you appreciate this, but anything that can make it better, I am in. Once it's not surgery. Number 3, Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. I'm reading a little bit into this because sometimes my under eye gets really dry and I have like really fine lines. So let me read a little bit. Maybe that'll help me and help somebody else. Okay, it is $49.99 and it's a marine algae is a straight from the sea skincare surveyor, dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins and essential fatty acids. When applied to the delicate skin around the eyes, it helps firm, soothe, plump and brighten like nothing else. That is what I'm talking about, like nothing else. Use for dewier, fresher looking peepers. My peepers do need a little bit of dewiness. So this is what it looks like on the outside. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 eye creams going on. So I am not going to use this one right now, but I'm going to open it so you can see what it looks like. I am curious. My peepers do need help some days. And again, without the wrapper, let us see. This is looking good. Okay. Alrighty then. It says there are 30 pairs of the iPads in there. So if you divide that by 2, you know you have 15 days. So half of the month. This is good. I'm opening it. Ooh, okay, so I open it and it has this little scooper right here. And everything else is on the inside. This is it. But I'm not gonna open it any further than that. Maybe one of these days when I have it under my eye, I'll take a picture and post it so you can see. Okay, so that's that. I am liking so far because that's a lot of skincare stuff and I can use it, girl. I can use it. See? I can use skincare for my little menopause skin. I'm gonna be 55 soon. It's coming up. It's gonna be a big birthday. I'm alive, it's going to be big. That's all that matters to me. The 4th item is Grande because it has an E. Grande Cosmetics. And it's a Grande Glow Plumping Liquid Highlighter for $25. It's the Plumping Liquid Highlighter infused with a rapid skin lifting serum, Vin Uplift, to firm and tighten fine lines. I was just talking about those, so they may be hear me. This pearlescent formula provides the plumping and moisturizing power to give your skin a radiant, luminescent glow. And this is it, Grande Glow Plumping Liquid Highlighter. This is it. I like the bottle. And it looks like, ooh, that's a big doofer. That's that. Let's see what it looks like. I guess I'll just put a little here because I already have everything on, and according to what it said, this should be under your skin or whatever. I'll figure that out, but for now I'll put it right here. It's a highlighter, so I'm putting it right here. Okay, so I have it right here, and I don't have any over here. Can you see a difference? Let me know. I'll take my glasses off. No highlighter. Highlighter. Can you see it? I don't know. Can you see a difference? I can see it. I can see it. But can you? Okay. So this is the Grande Cosmetics Clumping Liquid Highlighter. Okay. So that's that. And the last thing on the list is Beauty Vault. And it's the lip set, including a liquid matte lipstick and a lip liner to create a full luscious lip look. If you can hear that noise outside, because it's raining, you hear frogs. I live close to a lake, so I guess the frogs are happy for the water. And I am happy for the water because the earth needs it. So this is what this looks like. I'm here opening it up. Beauty Vault. And it has matte liquid lipstick and lip liner. Ooh, they are up my alley, baby. This is the color of the liquid lipstick. Yep. And this is the pencil. Wow. Well, let's see. This is the color. Ooh, I like that. And I'm going to use that. The color is pretty. Don't fall, don't fall. The color is pretty. Okay, and the lip. I can't put lip on, already have a lip, but this is the doe for very tiny. That looks pretty good. Smells nice. Smells like chocolate. And then this is the color. I like that. Okay. It's not a red. It's red, but it has to me a little orange. Tell me what you think. But this is the liquid lip color, and this is the pencil. I am going to have to use this. But these are the 5 full-size items in this box for July. Tell me what you think. Do you think my box is worth the $26.75? Because this is what I pay with it. It's $25 plus tax. So it comes up to $26.75. These are the 5 items for the Fantasy July. This I am liking. I did not get a palette, which is not a problem. But I got lip color and lip pencil. I got highlighter. I put it over here, but not here. I'll try to use this in the next video. For me, I like it. And I get a lot of skin stuff, which I am going to have to use. Okay, we'll put this one over here. I can only hold so much, so I have to put it over here. These are my products that I did receive from BOXYCHARM for July. Tell me what you think. Do you think my box for July was worth it? I got lots of skincare. I get like 3 pieces of makeup, and the rest was skincare. I like this. This is good. So again, I'm loving my BOXYCHARM. Tell me what you think in the comments. Tell me if you're loving my box. Tell me what you think about my box. Let us communicate with each other. And today's word for you is, do you thank yourself enough? Do you thank yourself enough? Like THANK. I know I have an accent, and it's sexy and it's beautiful and I love it. So sometimes I have to spell certain things. But I'm saying, do you thank, like THANK, yourself enough? When you do something good, do you thank yourself? Or do you only criticize yourself when you say or do something that you think is bad? Tell me in the comments. Let us talk. This is the makeup look that I did earlier on. It is on YouTube. Check it out. I am trying to grow my channel, move it to the next level. Share me on Facebook, Instagram, your friends, your family, your coworkers. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self, and I, Simply You Makeup, will see you in another video. I love my box. I like the Boxy Charm. So far I'm having fun. Thanks again for watching, you all. New subscribers, old subscribers, welcome to new. Thank you for staying with me, old. I am enjoying everything. Again, bye. Bye, bye, bye.